Good morning children. So today turn to chapter 8. Turn to chapter 8 multiplications and division. The chapter we are going to be start. So in multiplications and division you know how to do multiplications and how to do divisions. But here in this class first we will read about the rules and regulations to do the multiplication and the rules and regulations to do the divisions that we will read it. Okay. So everyone open textbook page number 54 and now first we will write about the rules and regulations of multiplications and then later we will do the sums related to the multiplication and then we will complete divisions also. Okay, so take out your maths class book, it means notebook, and in that you can write chapter 8 multiplications and divisions. Chapter 8 multiplications and divisions. Write this heading children. Okay. After writing that, next heading, facts and properties of multiplications. Facts and properties of multiplications. Okay, facts and properties of multiplications. Write down, insert the margin, first point. Multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. Example, 15 into 4 is equal to 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 is equal to 60. 15 4s are 60. No, it means 15 is repeating 4 times. Second point. Write down point number 2. When two or more numbers, are multiplied, when two or more numbers are multiplied, order of multiplication does not change the product. When two or more numbers are multiplied, order of multiplication does not change the product. For example, 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Okay, now I am changing the order. 4 into 2 into 3. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So if you change the order also, the product will not be changed. Okay. Next, point number 3. Copy it neatly, children, everyone. Okay, now point number 3 regarding the multiplication facts. Insert the margin, you can write it. Any number multiplied by 0 comma, the product is 0. Okay, example, 125 into 0 is equal to 0 only. So whatever the number it may be, so if you multiply it with 0, the answer will get 0 itself. Fourth one, any number multiplied by 1 comma, the product is the number itself. For example, if you are multiplying 136 with 1, you will be get the same answer, 136 only as a product. Okay, so this is related to the multiplication if you do by 1. Next, point number 5. What that means? Multiplication by 10. Multiplication by 10, 100, 1000. Okay, multiplication by 10, 100, 1000. If you multiplied any number with 10, 100 or 1000, how you will be get the answer? It means, look at the board, children. Example, 12 into 10, and the answer will be 12 itself, and in the 10 1 0 is there, no? So 1 0. It means if you multiply with the 10, 100 and 1000, the same number will be get it as an answer. Continue with the zeros, how many there in 100, in 10s and in 1000. Okay, it means, see for example, 12 into 10. So 12 ones are 12 only, and 0 it is 1 is there in the 10's place. So the 1 0 will be getting. And one more one, 35 into 100. If you multiply 35 with 100, what answer will get, children? 35 as it is will be get it, and this 35 will be continued with the 2 zeros, because in 100 2 zeros are there, no? So the 35 will be get it as usual, and it will be continued with the 2 zeros. And 84 into 1000. So same, you got no answer, I think. What you have to write? 84 as it is have to write. And how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So this 84 will be continued with 3 zeros. Okay, so like that, if you multiply with the 10, 100 or 1000, the same number will be write it, and it will be continued with the zeros. How many zeros are there in the 100? How many zeros are there in the 1000? How many zeros are there in the 10s? Like that, this will be continued. Next, more 2 rules. Next rule. Rule number 6. Product product is always larger than the multiplicand and multiplier. Product is always larger than the multiplicand and multiplier. Okay, so what is multiplicand and what is multiplier? So here, example, 35 into 4 is equal to, what the answer will get, children? 140. Okay, 35 into 4 is equal to 140. 35 is the multiplicand. Okay, and 4 is the multiplier. And 140 is the product. Okay, so now according to the rule, the multiplicand and multiplier, these two are lesser and the product is always larger, isn't it? So according to our rule, product is always larger than multiplicand and multiplier. Here multiplicand is 32 and multiplier is 4. These two are lesser than 140. 140 is the product. Okay, so next, last rule. Rule number 7. Multiplication statement can be written as division statement in two ways. Division statement in two ways. Example, first one, 33 into 3 is equal to 99. Okay, so this can be written in two ways in the division method. One is 99 divided by 33 and 99 divided by 3. Means the product can be divided with 33 and it will be divided with 3 also. So what the answer will be getting, children, here? One answer will be 3, one more answer will be 33. So these are the facts and properties of multiplication. And textbook page number 55. Textbook page number 55, Roman number 1, 2, 3 sums. So section 1, 2, 3, in each section 1 sum we will do it now, and remaining sums you have to do it as a homework. Okay. Now the first one. Page number 55, section 1, 2, 3. Page number 55, section 1, 2, 3. First one, find the product of. Okay, find the product of. Fill in the blanks are the children that you have to complete in the textbook itself. First one, 85 into 0. What the answer will be getting, children? Yes, 0 itself. 73 into 1. 73 only. Here with 10, 100 and 200 and 1000 is there. So only the thing is you have to do multiply the number with digits what has given before 0. So for example 853 into 1. Same 853 only, and how many zeros are there? 1 after 1 0. So that 1 0 have to write. Even I am exponential 563 into 200. 563 into 200. What is the number here? 2 is the number. With 2 you multiply this. Same. 1 tens 100. 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 1 is remainder. 6 10. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 is 11. Last 2 zeros are there now. Put that last 2 zeros. Like that. Okay. So next. Roman number 2. Find the product is the children. In the find the product. You can do the Roman number 2. Find the product. Okay. First one 73 into 5. Okay. 73 into 5. And next we will do the D1. D1 is 1375 into 23. Remaining sums you have to do it as a homework. Okay. Now answer. First one is 73 into 5. Write down 7, 3 and this into 5. Down you can write it like this. Okay. Ones and tens. Place values are must children. Now with 5 multiply the ones place value. 3 5s are 15. In ones place what the number is there? That you have to write in the answers place. And the tens place number have to write in the tens place above the given number. Okay. Here we have to write. Now 7 5s are 35 plus what is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. So it is 36. 365. Next D1. 1375 into 23. First with the ones place number. Okay. Always have to start with ones place only. 3 5s are 15. 1 is the remainder. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. 2 is the remainder. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 1 is the remainder. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Ones place we completed no children. So in the ones place put 0. Okay. Now from the tens place onwards have to count. 2 5s are 10. 1 is the remainder. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 is 15. 1 is the remainder. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 1s are 2. So you have to write very separately children. Each and every number individually have to write. So 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 1 is a remainder. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Like that remaining sums also have to complete. Okay. Next coming to the section 3. Read, think and solve word problems. Section 3. Word problems. Read, think and solve. And solve. Okay, here in this section 4 sums are there. One is first one. First let me read all the 4 sums children. Later I will give the clues for this and then you have to do your own. The cost of one watch is rupees 725. Find the cost of 15 watches. Second one. If the cost of one cricket kit is 2530, find the cost of 20 such kits. Next. Third one. The weight of one bag of rice is equal to 750 kgs. Find the weight of 10 such bags. Fourth one. If each student pays 250 rupees for a class trip, how much money will be collected from 26 students? Okay. So here all you have to write. See for example first one. The cost of one, first you have to copy the question with black pen, children, and statements with blue pen. Okay, copy the question. Now statements. First one, the cost of one watch is equal to rupees 725. Next, the cost of 15 watches is equal to question mark, how much? Now down you can write rupees 725 into 15. Do the multiplication. 5 5s are 25 and 1 is the remainder, so 2 is the remainder. 5 2 is the 10 plus 2 is 12. 1 is the remainder. 5 7 is 35 plus 1 is equal to 36. 1's place completed, now put 0. Now the answer have to write from the tens place. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 7s are 7. Now do the addition. 5, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So last statement what you have to do means, what you have to write means, therefore the cost of 15 watches is equal to rupees 10,875. Therefore, the watch of 15 watches is equal to 10,875 rupees. Like that, remaining 3 sums also have to do. Okay, so today's homework, copy that all the facts and properties neatly in your classwork and complete textbook page number 55, section 1 to 3 remaining sums.